This is the ROTTAY laptop riser stand. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the user manual and of course the laptop stand itself. Now it's all folded up right now. This is the smallest size of it. As you see here, all folded up. Rubber pads on everything here so it won't slip on your surface or anything like that. It comes pre-assembled, all like this, right in the box, ready to go. Your laptop goes on here. All these slots and the holes over here promote excellent laptop cooling. A lot of times people will take their laptop and throw it down on a bedspread, on a bed or something like that, and it absolutely chokes the airflow. Putting it up on a stand on a desk is really the right way to go with it. And this is fully adjustable. Let me reposition the camera and I'll show you exactly how it works. You'll notice on here it has stickers. It says press here, and over here there's a sticker that says press here. And very simply, there's a button inside, and if I press that, you can see how it'll tilt. Now I'll press the back one here, and I can raise it and lock it in place. So now everything is nice and sturdy and stable and will hold just like that. This is great just as a riser. Now really what they're looking for you to do with this is we'll press that, I'll pick it way up, we'll go to there, and I'll press this and we'll go there. And you can also, there's another press here button to raise it up like that. And take a look. Metal gears. This whole thing is made out of an aluminum alloy. So it's really nice and stable. And you can lock it in any of these positions. You have, I don't know, 12, 15 of them, something in there. Really nice and stable. Now, the thing is, when you have it this tall, you know, you want to be careful. You can, of course, still tilt that. And now you can see, if you're standing, for example, you can see your laptop. I'll put a laptop on this in a moment, but all around, you know, this really makes it a lot more convenient to use your laptop. If you are going to be using it at higher levels like this, it's recommended that you use something like a wireless keyboard and mouse, which you can place down here, which is really nice, because now you've gained this desk space that otherwise your laptop would be taking up. So it's really nice in that regard. Let me get a laptop, we'll put it on here, and I'll show it to you in different positions. So here's a laptop you don't see anymore, a Gateway, but it'll do the trick for this. We'll open that up. This is a 15-inch laptop. It'll handle up to a 17-inch. And right here you can see that we've raised it off the desk with the stand completely collapsed. Now what I'm going to do is change the stand so we can press the button over here and pick this up. Press the button here and pick that up, and we'll put it just like that. You always want to adjust this with your laptop not on it for safety. You can put the laptop on there and it's nice and sturdy. We'll open that up and it'll just sit there and do its thing. Everything is held in with the rubber pads on there, so it's not going anywhere. I don't have the most level surface here, so it will jostle around a little bit, but otherwise it definitely will fit this laptop just fine. And you can use it like this. If you're standing up, much more comfortable to use the laptop this way than it would be down here, without a question. And that is going to help with the ergonomics of your computer. Ergonomics are something that we generally overlook when using our computer because we're just using it to get whatever we have to done. And you don't pay attention to how you're sitting, what your posture is and stuff like that. And as such, you could be looking down, like if I had it right here, I'd be looking down. And that, in time, will lead to neck strain and other pains. We've all had them using the computer. After you sat there for a long time, sometimes your leg gets, you know, and you have to get up and all kinds of great stuff. But this way, if you're working on a surface or something, you can have your laptop up here and it's perfectly usable. Or again, you can use a wireless keyboard down here and mouse if that's more convenient for you. Again, this is fully adjustable, so I can take this and tilt it. Okay, so we'll lock it in there, and this is a steep angle, but you'll see it'll take it and hold it just fine. So now you can even use your laptop like this if you just need to punch a couple things in real quick, maybe look somebody's name up or something. If you're using this in a business, would be great for that. So you have a lot of different things that you can do with this and adjust it at many different angles. It will rise further up as well. We can press that button here, and I'll press this one. Again, you don't really want to adjust this while you have your laptop on it. I'll take it at that angle right there. And up here, you can see, look at all this space here. You can put a lot of stuff there that otherwise you wouldn't have. Here's something else the stand is great for. You also can use it as a monitor riser, like that. This is excellent if you use a desktop computer, because as you sit there, you don't even notice this. But a lot of times, your monitor is actually too low. And what happens is, you're not looking at the center of the screen where you're supposed to be. You're looking generally right over the screen. So you're looking down. And that again will lead to neck strain and also eye strain. If you were looking right at the center of this screen, you can look left, right, up and down for the entire field of the screen right there without any problem. And again, this can be adjusted up or down wherever you need. If you use this with a desktop machine, again, look at all of this space you have here where you can put stuff. You can put a post-it note pad, pens, pencils, things like that. Store here. Maybe a flash drive right over here. Have it handy so that way you can plug it in. So all around, it works great both as a laptop stand and also a monitor riser stand. An excellent, excellent option for a stand like this from ROTTAY. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.